Morning, everyone. Good morning, friends. Good morning, my victim. Oh, I have you now. I want to get some more coffee. Let's get a little more coffee. Let's go a little more crazy. Yeah, I think that's in order. I think that would be. I think that would be agreeable. Agreeable. Would that be agreeable? Would that be agreeable? Okay. A little bit more. So, Safari. Okay, I gotta fix this. Basically, I've done what I wanted to do, like 90% of what I wanted to do, 99% really. But Safari, which is an excellent, excellent, excellent browser, has decided to recode part of my website with a different tag so that my phone number on there is styled incorrectly. It says, I know you did this purposely this way. I know you wanted this, but we're just going to go ahead and change it. Safari on iPhone will automatically create links for strings of digits that appear to the telephone. Okay, so what do I need to do? I don't even, this seems to be the right thing to do. This simply doesn't. Uh, I know this whole thing is predicated on you deliberately putting this stuff together in the way that you deliberately want it. But we think we know better, so we're just going to change it. Because we like doing that. So what is this? About that? Oh, overstack. Overstack, overrun. It's raining here. It's kinda nice. To disable telephone number detection on part of a page. Like, I still want it to look like it. I still want it to be like, I mean, really, it's just, I mean, I guess it does that 'cause it wants people to be able to click on it, which is fine in theory, but I still don't want it styled in that way. Oh, you know what I should do? Hold on. Take this, copy, go over to, let's open up Safari. One page, click here. See how shitty that looks? And it changes the margins. God damn it, man. Why are you doing this, Safari? Why? It changes the colors, it changes the margins. Can we all agree on the same numbers for color names? That's so hard. And you can't inspect anything, right? How do you inspect shit in Safari? Ay, ay, ay. View. You have to fucking Google how to inspect a page in Safari. Mhm. Whatever. How to inspect page in Safari. It's a simple thing. This doesn't let me right click. I can reload the page or print a page, and that's it. Those are my options. And there's no toolbar either for some fucking reason. What is this garbage browser? Like, it's literally just an address bar and then the site underneath with no other buttons. View, always show toolbar, and there's nothing there. Cool, that helps. Not at all. Okay, let's see how we can make this browser look and function like an actual browser first. View, what does that do? Jesus Christ, how do I inspect this? Why does everything have to be such a fucking struggle? Like, how do you inspect elements in Safari? Safari preferences, advanced preferences, advanced. And then we, okay, this is not meant to be a play. That's the problem. This is anyway. Use Safari Inspector or Web Inspector. We first need to enable Safari Developer Tools. All right, preferences. When preferences went out under advanced, check the box next to show develop menu and menu bar. Did that. You'll see develop option added to the menu above. Menu above. The menu above. You will see, say that one more time. You will see a develop option. You will see a develop option. Oh, you mean on this. Okay, cool. Ho okay. Next, go to your desired right-click any part of the page and choose Infect Element. Okay, so it should be like hey, that's so nice. Thank you so much. Go ahead and blow this up. Mm, I would like this to be on the side. So I don't think it would be gray like that. But anyways, before I forget what I was even doing. You do this. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, well, it's not doing it on here either, is it? The Safari's become different. Yeah, it's like a newer version of Safari, one version. I need to get a new. I still need to undo this. So please set, please set, please set. Don't hang up, please. Was I gonna call this DNS records? Not that I know what the fuck it's about. But I'll give that a close. It's enough information for what I need to do. So that's all I really care. Okay. Whole thing is about leaving yourself little clues, little notes about how it what happened, what you did to solve that. Might be even better. I don't know. Okay. See, I mean, and this is not really a good answer either. You know, you literally said, "Try deleting it, ha ha." Like, deleting it. I mean, it worked, but why did it work? What's really happening with that? Ha ha. I mean, I'm happy it worked, but what did he say? He said, "A lot of those fields are really meant for publishing packages. I read in a couple places that they cause similar errors when bundling parcels." Yeah. I mean, I am using a, NPM package, I am. I'm using, that dialog package. Whatever. The fields, function explanation fields, name, module, symptoms, was these errors, when, you know, speak to me really, really understand so much of it. So the solution is to simply not include. Really, it only needs. Man, I can't type. Remove the. Remove the. Um. Uh. What else to say? Um. Okay, great. Uh, maintain a perspective. Are your strings holding up right? For real? For real? For real? For real, dude? For real? I got a question for you, Jack at Spoonwater or at Sweetwater. My guitar strings, they're holding up great, Jack. Jack, that's your real name. I got a question for you. How come on your commercials for guitars and guitar related things, why is your main character a woman in her pajamas under a blanket on the couch? Is that your seriously can I ask you that? Like can I get a hold of your fucking advertising team? The fuck is that about? Oh, why is your hypothetical customer some like chubby woman in her PJs under a blankie? Why the fuck is that it? Like we're all just cuddled up on our couch all the time, and these cuddled up consumers on our couches, just waiting, just typing on our little fucking devices to have companies send shit to us. This fucking country, man. I fucking hate America. I'm not gonna say that. Anyways, uh, she's like, she might as well be slumped over with like mac and cheese falling out of her mouth. Here you go. It's basically what was that movie called? Wally. Basically Wally. You might as well have that guy, the fat Wally guy, be the center of your commercial because that's the message you're sending. How did I get past any kind of scrutiny? I don't know, guys. Is that on target audience? Fat babysitters? Where does that even fucking come from? Like, that is such a foreign idea to the idea of music and guitars and guitar equipment. The idea of a fat babysitter in her PJs and guitar stuff are so opposite of each other that it's like you have to impute, you know, that that something weird is going on with that. That doesn't just happen. That's not an accident that they chose that. Like you don't accidentally go, "Oops, I was gonna show these like teenage rock and roll kids in the garage, but I accidentally chose a fat babysitter on the couch under a blanket." No, that's not what's going on. That's being purposely put in there for some reason by somebody with some kind of weird agenda or something. And you can call me schizo all day. That does not bother me. Okay. Let's get back to this. All right. Okay. This is enough. I don't know what we're doing with more minutes here. Uh, it's like there can be no more male directed things at all. Everything has to come under the umbrella of this female, under a female aesthetic, under a female feminine, uh, blankie wearing, you know, like that's the new standard of like of products of the new age of consumerism is just everybody's going to be a fat female babysitter, just gluttonously flipping and clicking and having deliveries just come to you. Don't even feed yourself. Just have like a computer just shove shit into your head and put on your extra cozy socks and shit like that. It's disgusting. Like there used to be things that were like cool, you know, but they were male. They're like cool things that guys liked that would be targeted at men. You know, that's not to say that that doesn't have stupid parts to it too, but it was more like action oriented and more like get out there and use this cool thing to do this cool thing. You know, go outside, go run, go, you know, buy these tennis shoes to go dominate on the basketball court or something like that. And it's like it kind of gets the guys like amped up when they see that kind of thing. Like, "Yeah, I want to go, fucking." But now it's not like that. Now even for guys, it's like no, sit down. You don't need to put effort in. Just sit down and have this cozy little thing brought to you. Don't do anything. Just buy this thing so that you don't have to act at all. And instead, just live behind this shiny status symbol thing. You know, and it's not made for you doing anything or experiencing anything fun or challenging or athletic or anything like that. It's just a shiny thing for you to sit there and hang out on yourself. It's just like it's so gross. It's so fucking gross. Like we're just like these pigs that just sit around consuming. It's so fucking disgusting. In fact, it's cooler to have shitty shit than to have new shit. That's actually, yeah, sort of. I'd follow somebody that has, shitty shit, but is, like, using it and doing stuff rather than somebody that has the newest, shiniest product out there. Well, hold on, guys. I have to update this. Hold on, guys. Update. Hold on. Hold on. It's like, dude, look at you. Look at how you well, like, I've thrown my phone away. I've thrown my phone away several times. Um, okay, that's the fifth time I've tried to type that word, destroy. Now I got Jack and Sweetwater. Jack, they're guitar strings, man. It's fun. They're just guitar strings, Jack. I know you're. I'm sorry somebody told you to do that. Maybe look for another job, dude. Maybe look for something else. Texting people about guitar strings for a living. You might want to do a little reflection there. Maybe go build a deck or something like that. Maybe go like validate your masculinity a little bit instead of texting people about guitar strings. I just fucking hate America. Like I hate, hate, hate America with a passion. This place is poison. This place is poison everywhere in all possible ways. Oh, all right. Let's change the. Where was I? Here. Okay. So we want to change that to be an A tag. And so what I was trying to. All I know it's not Jack at Sweetwater. For all I know, that's just what he's saying. There you go. I just had it up here. Oh, here it is. Stand up. Wish you were here. Wish you weren't here. That's funny. So you think you can tell? I wish you weren't here. Well, yeah, Format detection. Even your HTML reference looks like it was made in 1990. Meta tag. What does it say again? Format detection. Okay. Format detection. Format. Here we go. Content telephone equals no. If you disable this but still want telephone links, tell URI scheme. What does it mean? Disables the feature. Tell URI scheme. Tell URI scheme. What is tell URI scheme? Let's do it again. So that's the syntax. Is this the same page? Provides two different links to the same page. Okay, good. Where I need to know where the meta tags go. Ah, okay. Okay. And what did the guy say? Disable this, but want telephone links. You can use the tell URI scheme. Tell URI scheme. What does that mean? What is a urinary tract infection? What is a URI scheme? What? It tells you how to interpret the part of the URL. So, what does that mean? Oh, okay. That's all it means. So how do you actually implement a tell URI scheme? I'm not sure I care about that, to be honest. I mean, we'll make this change and then we'll look at that. Okay. Copy. So now I gotta go here. Paste. Save. And it totally destroyed the site. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Now that that's been done, let's see. Let's see. I don't know why that's not working. That should be working. All right. It doesn't work without that. I don't care. That's what we're doing. Okay. Now that that's been done, let's see if it worked. Yeah. Where's my terminal? Let's see. That was kind of cool. I didn't. What's Spanish? What's with Spanish? I don't think Spanish sounds very cool. Plus, it's Spanish. Maybe that's, we don't live in Mexico. Spanish band name. Where the fuck does my terminal keep? Okay, here we go. What is this about? This is about the. Okay. Um. Oh wait. What am I doing? Now, if I do this is answering a whole different question I had about this work, which is uh, Netlify. Um, okay. Good. It's building it. Yes. Yes. It does it automatically. That's so wonderful. Okay. And it's already hooked up. So, well, let's see, what is the difference? I just hit refresh. I mean, that'd be surprising. It did it. Wait a minute. It's different now. And even that looks a little bit better, although that's still not quite where I want it, but strange. And this works. Isn't that great? That's so great. Did that come through on here? No, it didn't. It's Spanish. I don't have a Spanish name. I'm not Spanish. The fuck? I'm not a Spanish band. We're not Spanish. Let the Spaniards have Spanish stuff. It's not me. That's them. Let Beck, the Spaniards, go to town on Spanish shit. That ain't me. They can knock themselves out with all the weird Spanish words they want. It does not appeal to me in the slightest. This was a wonderful video, so let me go ahead and save that. Okay, cool. Close. Okay, cool. What else needs to be done? You can draw lines or stuff. It'd be cool to like still see what I did. Meaning like strike through is what it's called, right? Strike through. Let's see strike through on here. Insert strike through. Whatever. Uh, use some of those. So that's good. Anything I push to my repository automatically is reflected in site online. So that's good. So that's a good thing. You have to take, it's only one step essentially. All right. So yeah, you need to change that to where the menu will go away when you click on one of the menu items. You think about it before. So here, JavaScript. Okay. So this is my function here. Um, so it's just anywhere on the body. If you click, I might need to write a separate one. This is about clicking away from that open nav. So let's make another one for when you're clicking the actual button itself. So if you haven't clicked there and you haven't clicked there, got it into a little- what I'm saying is the target of the click is not the menu button, nor the target of the click is not the menu button, nor is it links. You're not going to say, or if it is one of the links, the target of this one, then what happens? If it's not the SVG, or is one of the links, because if it's not the, you see a whole bunch of knots. The only thing that matters is if it's not the menu link. So anywhere else you click that's not the link will satisfy that. And so it would close. But then it's kind of like, anything weird with that? No, it's not the menu link. So what I said was like, if the user does not click on the menu icon and he's not clicking on one of the links, meaning, yeah, you could also just do like, there's a bunch of different ways to do this. That's why if he's clicked on the body and it's not a menu link that he clicked on, which leaves two possibilities. You can click on the menu link, like say the thing's open, say the menu's open. Well, if he clicks on the menu link, then we need to close it again. There's gotta be a better way to do this. That's really uh, part of me just doesn't feel like cooking. Maybe. Um, you because the other way would be, okay, he took somewhere in the body, and also that means every fucking time that means every single time this is not the right way to do it because you're gonna be cooking in the body all over the place all the time, and you don't wanna have to run this fucking thing all the time. It's going to be run, you don't wanna be triggering JavaScript that much, right? Um, you really only want to trigger it if the menu's already open.